Hi, we're about to do a Tabata Workout Low Impact, and that means no jumping. And we're going to start with regular push-ups. And ladies, if you don't have enough upper body strength to do regular push-ups, you can do them on your knees. So get ready. Go. Push-ups, chest to the desk. Perfect form. I want you to put your chest all the way down to the floor, then straighten your arms all the way out, and exhale as you push up. Inhale as you descend, fast as you can, but good form. I want you to get the most out of every rep. Stop and up. Hindu squats. Get ready to squat down and touch your ankles. Follow along with me. I'll show you 2 ways to do these. Go the traditional way, touching your ankles, come up and rolling straight back, but I like the modified way, and here we go. Standing all the way up and putting the hat down on your head. Notice how my back's at a 45-degree angle with the ground. And exhale as you compress. Inhale as you raise back up. That's the best way to do them. Stop. One-legged jumping jacks. Remember, no jumping. Get ready to stick your left foot out as far as you can. And go. Left out and then right out. And for the jumping jack motion, I want you to raise your hands over your head with each rep and touch your fingers together above your head. Mobility permitting, of course. And don't forget to breathe. Stop. High knee climbers. So when I say go, I want you to raise your knees one at a time as high as you can. And I'll show you the rest. Go, raising your knees high as you can and your arms as high as you can above your head. And if you can speed up, go ahead. But notice how I have one foot on the ground at all times. So it's more of a marching motion than a running motion. Go as fast as you can. Don't feel like you have to go as fast as I do. Stop and back down to push-ups, and that will be the order. It's not going to change. So get ready for push-ups. Go. Pushing up, chest to the desk. Chest all the way down. Pushing all the way up. Exhaling as we push up. Good form. Do not sacrifice form for speed. Stop and up. Hindu squats again. Get ready to squat down. Stick that butt back and down. Go. Squat down, stick that butt back, stick that head out, back at a 45-degree angle, and then with those arms, reach down, touch your ankles, and then put that hat on your head. Good. Exhale as you compress. Stop. One-legged jumping jacks. Remember, the left leg's going to go all the way out. Get ready. Go. Left leg out, then right leg out. Bringing your fingers together above your head. Get a nice breathing pattern. Whatever yours is good, but get a pattern. Don't forget to breathe. Oxygen is your friend. Stop. High knee climbers. Get ready to do high knees from the waist down and ladder climb from the waist up. Go. High knee climbers, high knees, and then reach those arms up there above your head. Reach them up high. One foot on the ground at all times. Stop. Okay, we're going to take a 30-second break. Enough for you to get a drink of water, catch your breath, stretch out a little bit. All right? And if you're looking for a program you can do at home to help you lose fat, complete with meal plan supplements, on-demand exercise program, expert coaching, and live support, check out the Get Healthy at Home program, link in the description. All right, get ready for round 2. Coming up. Order's going to be the same. 10 seconds, so you might as well get down push-up position. Get ready. Go. Push-ups fast as you can. Make your form perfect. I don't care how many push-ups you do in 20 seconds. Just do as many as you can perfectly. Go, go, go. Stop and up. Hindu squats. I'm going to do the modified. You can do either one you want to do. Go, squat down. Touch your ankles up, head over your head, put the hat on your head, stick that butt back, and head out. Nice 45-degree angle with your back to the ground. Exhale as you compress. Good. One-legged jumping jacks. Get ready to stick that left leg all the way out. Go. Left leg out, then right leg out. Raising those arms above the head, touching your fingers together above the head, stretching out those shoulders, that rotator cuff. Don't forget to breathe. Nice breathing pattern. Nice and smooth, because smooth is fast. Stop. High knee climbers. Get ready to lift those knees. Go. Lift those knees up. Lift those arms up. Nice and high. Go as fast as you can. Don't have to go as fast as me. Go as fast as you can, but make sure those knees are nice and high. Those arms are nice and high. Stop. Back down. Push-ups. Regular push-ups. Get ready. Go. Fast as you can. Get that chest all the way to the ground. Touch it on the ground and come back up. Exhale as you push up. Perfect push-ups. Do them perfectly. Back nice and straight. Do not arch that back. Keep it nice and straight. Stop and up. Hindu squats. Go. Stick the butt back and the head out. Exhale as you compress. Raise those hands up all the way over the head. Put that hat on your head. Good. Keep going. You're going to be burning fat for 36 hours after this, you know. Stop. High knee climbers. No, one-legged jumping jacks. I'm sorry. One-legged jumping jacks. Stick your leg out. Go. One leg and then the other. One leg and then the other. Fast as you can. Good form. Good, good, good. Okay, now high knee climbers. Get ready to go with those high knees. Go. High knees from the waist down and ladder climb from the waist up. Go, 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 go. Fast as you can. Good form. 1 foot on the ground at all times. Stop. Okay, if you think this workout is too short, you can repeat it as many times as you want. Like this video if you like it, and make sure you click on this playlist for your next fat burning video. That's it, and that's all. See you next time.